This morning I have cooked some sausage with some olive oil till they crisp up very nicely. They are so delicious and they provide different textures. And I also have a hot pan ready for my eggs. I love the smell of breakfast in the morning. It's a great pick me up. And if you don't like breakfast, then stick around and you'll definitely find something to like in this video. And I'm just scrambling the eggs, making sure that everything is combined and evenly distributed in the heat. My pan was very, very hot starting off, so that is the key of really having some really delicious and fluffy eggs as well. And I always pre-whip and mix my eggs before. Here I'm putting some Creole seasoning, and my seasoning of choice for breakfast for this one particularly is going to be the Tony's seasoning. It's very good, very easy go to. It blends with just about any and everything. And I'm just scraping down the sides here, making sure that everything's delicious. And if you have a favorite breakfast item, I really would love to know. Or if you would like to see some more breakfast items, I would love to incorporate and show them as well for you. All right, so this is the showstopper right here. When you have everything together, we could just stop right here and just be done. You know, I could just eat this, devour this plate right now, and I could say, hey, you belong in my stomach. You are delicious. Delicious sausage, scrambled eggs. But wait, there is more. I do have a French baguette that we are adding to this. And here I have already sliced the baguette. It's very thick, not thin. It's not like you are having something like a salad or like a cracker like. I want mine kind of dense where I can pick it up and kind of make a one open face sandwich. And I made a couple more, but just for purposes for you to see, I made a couple of more slices for you. Here I have greased the pan with olive oil again, Italian seasoning. This is just the regular Italian seasoning. What makes it fancy is just you adding your own touch of whatever that you're wanting for your food. I'm adding some Italian cheese, herbs as well. And this is really good. I really wish that everybody could just have an opportunity to try this, because even if you do not like breakfast and you just have the cheese toast, I mean, you could just grab this and go. And if you want to just have sausage, this is fine. Some people just don't like eggs. I don't understand you if you don't like eggs, but I respect you. And this is the final. It is so delicious. I ate every piece, and the smokiness on the sausage, chef's kiss. Please like, subscribe. I would love to know more breakfast ideas. Bye.